5 first year MBBS.
A year ago, first year MBBS ICRI uploaded a whole video giving all of this advice and gyan to new MBBS students. Now, third year MBBS ICRI takes over, and I'm going to be rewatching that video, which I've not seen ever since it's been uploaded, and see if it actually holds relevance and if that advice should be followed. So let's get into it.
So the first 2-3 months settling in to hostel as well as to the curriculum, because you're again going to a 9 to 5 class after 3 to 4 months of complete detachment from academics.
Okay, so about the first point, I actually had kind of forgotten about that. See, if you consider the transition from NEET phase to first year MBBS, it is very different to that of the transition from first year MBBS to the second year, or from second year to third year. It's a big jump if you think of it. From the NEET life to coming into a whole new zone, it took a really long time, and everything was new. Hostel, friends, people, teaching, books, subjects. तो सब कुछ बहुत अलग था, एंड मेरे लिए इट वॉज वेरी नॉट डिफिकल्ट, इट वॉज जस्ट वेरी डिफरेंट, एंड आई एन्जॉयड द एंटायर प्रोसेस. सेटलिंग इन टाइम नहीं होता है जब आप सेकेंड ईयर MBBS में आते हो. यस, सब्जेक्ट्स के हिसाब से इट बिकम्स मोर डिफिकल्ट एंड इट बिकम्स मच मोर वास्ट, बट apart from the academics, everything else is so normal that you wish that there was some sort of difference.
People on the outside feel like you're doing all right in terms of academics, because the marks display something similar to that. But deep down, you know, you're in this doubt when you feel like, do you actually know enough?
About the vastness, in first year, I really honestly felt it very difficult to study the subjects. Because as I mentioned in the video, that NEET mindset was horrific for me. I was very hell-bent कि मुझे सब कुछ पढ़ना है, and उस चक्कर में बहुत कुछ रह गया. And for the first internals, like I mentioned, I did just study importance, and ऐसा लगता था सबको कि मुझे सब कुछ आता है, पर deep down मुझे पता था कि बहुत कम आता है, and I just know enough for the exams. So that did lead to sort of like an internal conflict. In second year, that did not happen because the change in mindset. I found it easier to feel more comfortable with my progress with the studies, because I stopped comparing myself to exam oriented and marks. I started comparing myself with my own knowledge that I had set out for myself.
You take part in it because your peers are doing the same and you don't want to feel left out, and because you care a lot about what others think and what others feel about your character and attitude, you do a lot of things just for that reason.
Before we move on, I'm so sorry that I keep on stopping the video, but the thing which I wanted to kind of mention is, first year, because you really want to blend in with the people, you tend to become a people pleaser, and you tend to just try and be there for everyone at all times. Because you want to fit in, you want to settle in, you want to find your group, you want to know what works for you. And I feel like that is actually necessary. But then, as you move into second year, people do distance themselves from you, and it's just normal. It's not like they have beef with you or something, but you do see a drift in people's conversations, interest in talking to you, and people become more self-oriented to an extent. But that is not a bad thing. It's that people are having more set out priorities. Even there'll be a change within you, and also there'll be a change in people around you.
That's how first year MBBS went. Very last time. And it wasn't your fault.
Bro, like, I actually admire the way I summarized the entire first year, because ever since second year started, I never went back to my first year. I remember like ठीक है 3 सब्जेक्ट्स थे और ऐसा ऐसा चल रहा था मेरा, और मैं इतना दूर से आ गई. बट आई हैड फॉरगॉटन कि मेरा माइंडसेट बहुत ज़्यादा अलग था. इट वॉज द फेज वेर इन आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू ब्लेंड इन. इट वॉज द फेज वेर इन आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू study so much, and I was very in my shell. I was exposed to a lot of things, but I was still ICRI of the NEET mindset. But now, and even like after half of second year was over, I could see a shift in my personality. Maybe it was because of the many events that I attended, or how I went to camps and I was traveling a lot. Or it could also be because I was more confident in the way I was studying the subjects. It could also be because posting शुरू हो गया कॉलेज में, हॉस्पिटल में, तो I had more exposure both academic wise and also in terms of personal development. Summer year, second year MBBS, you can watch my video on it, but it is very different to how I was in first year.
Next segment where I talk about what exactly you should do to improve. So first tip which I have to give over here is start slow but go steadily.
The first advice of going slow, I implemented that throughout second year. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, I stopped studying for the sake of the exams. I stopped studying to prove to others कि मुझे आता है, and I stopped studying to get my marks on track. I studied at my own pace. I was consistent, but I came out of the NEET mindset. I was like to myself कि it is okay अगर मेरा first internals तक syllabus पूरा नहीं हुआ है, if a lot is remaining for my second internals. As long as by the end of the year I am at a comfortable position, that is all that matters. If I had not followed this advice which I had developed in first year, then second year would have been very, very difficult for me because I was put in various positions wherein I was not able to complete my syllabus as per the exam schedule given by the college. Till that point of time, I was my own commander. So yes, good advice. What's the second advice?
Alongside that, let go of the self-doubt which you are in.
Did I follow that in second year? Like, was I actually the person who stopped doubting herself? I improved a lot from first year. If I talk about clinical postings, I still know that there should be an improvement in me. Like, I used to go for blood collection in second year, and shuru se, I knew it. I knew how to do it, and I had done it on many patients. पर फिर भी हर बार जब मैं जाती थी, I would still have that conscious self-doubt कि क्या मैं कर पाऊंगी. And in the end, I would do it. But it really made me feel tensed and anxious. My peers, they were able to be so confident and they were able to take the opportunities as it came because of that confidence. But I kind of restricted myself sometimes in the postings because of that self-doubt. So I'm really happy that I identified कि I have this element within me wherein I doubt myself, I doubt my abilities even if I'm at a good position. And I did sort of come out of that when I entered into second year, but there's still a long way to go. And that advice I would still give now. It doesn't matter which year of MBBS you are in, but whenever you're doing something and you're giving your 100% and you've reached a certain level, उसका मतलब कि आपको थोड़ा बहुत information है, knowledge है उस चीज़ का. So be confident at least in that part which you know. So I'm really happy about that. Let's move on.
From too many people. Everyone.
इतना ज्ञान कहाँ से आ रहा है भाई? Like, wow. But I did follow that advice. It holds relevance. In second year, I stopped trying to please everyone and I stopped trying to create small talk with people who don't have a lot of knowledge in the sort of domain I was looking for. I would go to specific people for specific things. I'm not saying कि there are only few people who are good at it, but people who I knew were good in it. ऐसा. So that was helpful because see, the new thing about second year, apart from the three main subjects, is your clinical postings. And in clinical postings, that's very monotonous because as soon as you enter, there are third year people, final year and interns. So they are given all the priority and they do not really give much focus onto the second year MBBS students because you're a newbie into the hospital. ऐसा बोलते कि history taking करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, and you should develop rapport with the patients. पर सच में after a few weeks you get bored of it and people start bunking postings and people are like okay मैंने एक history ले लिया अभी हो गया attendance होके मैं खत्म करके मैं जाऊँगी ऐसा. तो ऐसा वाला mindset आ जाता है. And when posting started for me, I was very, very interested कि I am going to the hospital, I am meeting real life patients and getting to see their file and I really wanted to do it in the right way. So I messaged few seniors who I know and they gave me a really good sort of structure on what I should go. Whether it was how to take history, whether it was my approach to every subject. There are also a lot of seniors who are like chill कर, आपको तो proxy लगेगा तो आप क्यों ही जाओगे. तो ऐसा वाले लोग भी हैं. तो because I was able to segregate between who I should ask, who I should not ask, it really was kind of refreshing for me and I was able to get the right sort of advice.
You will enjoy and do it for yourself. Be selfish in that sense. Don't do it just because your friends are doing it or because person B is doing it. If you feel like you're not going to learn from that experience, if you're not going to make memories from that, or if you're not going to enjoy it on a deeper level, don't do it. No one's forcing you.
I mean, she said it herself. The people-pleasing nature of ICERI, it has stopped to an extent. There has been a huge shift from first year to second year. And I know that if I remained how I was in first year, and I had never developed the ability to say no or to do things for myself, then second year would have been a disaster, because academic wise I had very limited time. So if on top of that I had given away my time and let my energy drain into activities जिसका मेरे कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है, तो it would have been very difficult for me. So I'm glad that I realized it as soon as second year started कि I have to change myself in this aspect. It actually helped me. So yeah.
Bold in the decisions I'm making. Adding on to the previous thing which I said, have your own stand, and people will always think something of you.
लोग क्या सोचेंगे? I agree that I really like that sort of advice, and it's a very sort of general sort of advice जो सबको पता है कि you should live for yourself, बाकी लोग के लिए क्यों ही जीना है. Especially when you come to college, you are really in that social environment wherein you want to be accepted by everyone, at least in the beginning. So it's very difficult to have your own stand, but try to be there for yourself from the very beginning. Let's move on to the next advice, because wow, ICERI in first year and ICERI at the beginning of second year, boy, she had a lot of advice to give.
Please allot specific time for everything, because in the end, all the three subjects are important and they all have their own value in the medical field.
So this advice is valid, and it's not just for first year. Even now in third year, I will make sure that apart from PSM and FMT, I have to do some minor subjects as well. Everything has to be given its own time, and do not let one subject dominate over the other, because like I said in this video, एक ही subject से कुछ नहीं होने वाले. As important as pharmac is, patho is also important. If you don't know the disease, how will you treat it? And if you know the disease and you don't know the treatment, then what's the point of it? So every single subject has its own value in the medical field.
Next thing is to always be curious.
Okay, so always be curious. If you've seen my second year MBBS recap video, one thing, if you did not understand anything, you will be able to understand कि a lot of things happened, non-academic things. मैंने बहुत चीज़ें किया, but I wasn't doing that in first year because my mindset had changed. I was very curious in first year, but I was also within my own shell that if it was within this time period, only then I will do it. On the whole, for your holistic development, it is important to actually try and get out of your shell and experience new things.
Try and find like-minded people. There will be 180 people or whatever in your class. You will take time in finding the group which you feel comfortable.
Good sort of advice of find your like-minded people, but it's not necessary that you have to be with them 24/7. Your own company is also sufficient at times. So yeah, it's okay.
Because the more you start expecting, the more you're going to feel drained out. So live in the present, be aware of whatever you're doing, be consistent from the beginning, come out of the neat mindset, and just live. So that is my guide for first year MBBS students. If you need any sort of help in any way possible, you can always comment down below or approach me on Instagram.
Okay, so a very long video, the amount of advice which I've given, and I'm proud that I followed that advice throughout second year. Even though I've not been able to follow every single advice 100%, like जैसे मैंने set out किया था, I made attempts to do that. So in a similar way, I also hope that all of you will attempt to make small changes wherever you feel necessary in your life. Because when you think about it holistically, in MBBS, it's not just the academic side which needs your improvement. You also need to give time, and you also need to try to bring about your whole development. Because if you don't do it now, then it's going to be very difficult in the future. So in this video, I did touch upon the sort of advice I gave a year ago and if it held validity for me personally. And because it did for me, I do hope that it will for you as well. Come back next week for more Time Out with ICERI. Bye.